cost?
Fucking, he was out, and then I put him up like 1 o'clock in the morning. And my friend, that's how much low spot is
Oh
there.
my god.
Yeah, I saw it. It was brutal. Brutal.
So it's low here
I
too?
put- yeah, that's a low right here.
Oh, yeah.
So now you take a plug, I give you fucking skid loads of that shit.
People are cheap. People
yeah.
are cheap.
See, I always make it like this.
So that's $50 for that.
Yeah, something like that, but it's fucking, they're very close. It doesn't matter, fuck it. It sends easy, works easy, fucking beautiful.
That's good.
Yeah.
Did you put it on real thick when it went all gummy that time? That other cheap shit?
No, same fucking
Same as
way,
this?
same. I'm fucking doing Manta for 40 years, so.
Yeah, so maybe, I don't know, maybe
No,
this doesn't
it's
cure
fucking
right.
garbage. And I sold bundles like that, Canadian Tire.
Oh, yeah.
One of them.
Yeah.
I'm not lying to you.
Yeah.
That stuff is shit. Fucking shit. So, we're gonna do it this way, Bruce. Fuck. How many fucking bikes I done for you over the years? Fuck. And I don't have a bike.
Yeah, well, I got two. You can take one.
Fuck
You
me.
can take the Venture.
Oh man. Promise Janice, I said we all fucking go to Cubby Trail and we will have a vacation.
You take the Venture there. You got a trailer. Put the Venture on it. Well, unless you got this bike done.
Oh
done
fucking, I cannot go without the fucking Dana. Dana's like fucking chihuahua.
Oh, she can stay.
Oh fuck Peter, I wanna go. Fucking I wanna go everywhere with
Well,
you.
someday you have a boyfriend. she can-
Yeah. I said, you never know. I said, that's what I'm telling her, but also I've been telling her.
So
every
that's what her
time,
dad
you
should
know,
be doing when they were younger. That's
I know.
what they should be doing.
you should explain to her.
Probably got a little more than half of it done. And there's a lot more, once you start sanding it, you see there's a lot more little dings in this tank than I thought. Like there's a little one back here, you know, 3 of them right here, this big one. think there's another one up here somewhere, a little one right, yeah, right there, a slash. Like there's a lot of work to sand and knock down. But Peter says, may as well sand it right down to steel. And then we'll sandblast out the parts that are hard to get at. And start from fresh. See if we can poke a little bit, bang these out a little bit, and then just have to marglass it or something. Got the lock rings in for the exhaust, so I'll be putting that on the next couple days. I've been starting to draw out on a piece of paper in my office there how I'm going to do the wiring and wire in the amp meter. And I got to make a couple little brackets in the battery box in here. I'm going to make a separate bracket. I'll have to just drill it, and I think I'll just pop rivet it so I don't damage the original box, and to hold the battery so I can put straps on it, and then a separate plate to put the fuse panel on it, and start going on that. I'd like to have this bike. I think it's going to be March in a couple of days here, I think. Not sure what the date is today. Can't remember now. But I'd like to have this bike running by the end of March. It was 65 degrees yesterday. 65 degrees yesterday, 68 maybe. And we're supposed to get, if you can see down there or not, but we're supposed to get 6 inches of snow tonight. There's a snowstorm going on here. Oh. They turned the light on. It's me, little dog, me, little dog. Yeah, there's my truck. And it was 68 degrees yesterday. Yeah, I got lots of snow. Been over at Peter's the last couple of days too. Supposed to go there tonight and work on my panel, but I'm going to skip that for tonight. And get over there maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Have to see what else I got going on. I got lots going on. Yeah, what other parts did I get here? Oh, I got the new decals. You know, now that the bike's going to be gold or black, I need new gold stickers for the tank and for the these are for the tank, new gold ones, and for the side covers. I'd originally bought the black and gold to do it the metal flake green, which I'm going to look for another tank, and I'm going to keep those covers, and I'm going to get Peter to clear coat on the decals for that too. And oh yeah, let me shut this off and flip the camera around. I've been working on this headlight thing, and I only had 3 springs. I guess you're supposed to have 5 in that thing. And when I lost one of them, I think 1 or 2 of them. But what I did is, if you can see in there or not, but I bent these tangs out, so they're straight out. And if I take this big rubber boot off, this H4 bulb will fit in there, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to go that route for now. I'll keep the stock one in case somebody wants to put it back stock if I sell it someday. But because the stock one's nice, it's got this little running light on the side here, so I'm going to have to change the wiring for that a little bit. And if this doesn't, if I can't fit this in there, I'm going to take this bulb and grind it down so it'll fit right inside there, and then I can use the running light too. Okay, that's it for today. She's getting pretty dusty, this old bike. I should probably cover it up, but I'll just blow it off. I let my compressor cool down. It's been running a lot, sanding that down. I'll turn it on and shut this video off.